Reviewing this week's crumble cookies. Cotton candy cookie. I used to get everything cotton candy flavored when I was younger, so I think I'm gonna like this one. I feel like there's Pop Rocks popping in my mouth right now. 10 out of 10. Strawberry lemonade. I love lemon, so I think I'm also gonna like this. As expected, 10 out of 10. Caramel apple cookie. I actually love the fresh apples on top. 10 out of 10. Fry cookie and cream cookie. One word, dry. 6 out of 10. Funnel cake cookie. I feel like I'm at the fair eating this. Dry, but better. Churro cookie. Eight out of 10. The Dubai style chocolate strawberry cup. The strawberry is so big. The strawberries are so juicy. 10 out of 10.